Guys, running Kimono, so I had no intention of making a video today, but I did go do 2 quick deals this morning, and I'm going to talk about it. We have Rite Aid over here. Oh my gosh, look at all that P&G merch. And Walmart Christmas stuff hit 75% off today. So I'm going to show you the SKUs, talk about what I got, lots of cheapies and some money makers too, and a weather report for you guys. It's kind of a cold one here in Michigan. Hi to my mom if she's watching. Okay, so let's go to Walmart first, because I'm pretty sure that only some of you have Rite Aid. So we'll talk about Walmart first. So their Christmas clearance hit 75% off this morning, and Hobby Lobby yesterday hit 90 or 80% off. So if you like Christmas stuff, and I got not a lot of stuff, because here's the thing, guys, the bags and bows and all that other like cool stuff, Dollar General in January when they have that quarter sale, it blows everything out of the water than some of this stuff that I'm still paying like 24 cents for. So we're just gonna go through what I got. I was able to track down 12 of these hand soaps, and they are by Soft Soap, I believe. Yeah. And they're just a little holiday collection. This will be a harder one to find, but to pay 25 cents for, or 24 cents for hand soap, that's a really great price point. But for everybody who thinks that, you know, I hate dogs and I'm anti-dogs, blah, blah, blah. Nope. We have this little Cozy Caroler and Fetching Frosty. They're both dogs. I think this is a Siberian, and that's just like some sort of sheepdog. And here are the UPCs. Now what you can do, guys, is go to this site called brickseek.com, type in this UPC and see if your store may have it. And use that site. You know, it's not always a given if it says it's in stock. Look high and low, and you might find these. And I found these at the front of the store, just to let you guys know. So it might be in like the health and beauty section, or it might be, you know, in the clearance section or somewhere different. But these two, 24 cents a pop. And then these little red ones, we have this little cat one called Snuggly Snow, and Wiggly Winter. So it's a little like hedgehog or something. And these again were 24 cents a pop. Get this stupid thing to focus. So again, go to that site BrickSeek, and then type in the UPC with your zip code and see whatever might show up. And I grabbed a total of 6. I think there was more, but I only grabbed 6. I wasn't going to go too crazy, but 24 cents for this quality of hand soap is a really great deal. Okay, so this is something that I had my eye on. I thought it was really kind of funny. It's this weird, let's just open it up and show you. It's like a figurine. Look at that. That's like a creature from the Black Lagoon. That is scary looking. And then you open it up, and you have your men's deodorant. So I have an older brother who's into like goofy kind of crazy stuff. So this is going to be part of his Christmas gift. He's up there in Canada, and unfortunately I don't get to see him this year because of all the border restrictions and life. But this is right up his alley. You got a cool deodorant and a cool container. I know that this will really make him laugh. If not, you know, that's just a gag gift. So I got him this, and Merry Christmas, Mark. And there's gonna be some other stuff in your stocking, but this is gonna be one of them. And this guy was $3.72. The original price point for this was $14.88, so 75% off. The original price point for these are 98 cents, and I got them for 24 cents as well. I know sometimes people wanna know the original prices, so that's why I did that. Okay, the next little thing that I got was this little hand lotion, and I'm not sure what the original price was for this because I could not find it. This was ringing up for 87 cents, and it is an itty bitty lotion. Now Shopkick has 450 points back when you buy one of this Find Your Happy Place lotions. So if I in fact get that back, this will be a 93-cent money maker. Shopkick dealio for me was with this Dollar Shave Club. Now I'm gonna let you guys know, they have a lot of like stuff like this and deodorant kits and all that stuff in the clearance section, but this was on a regular end cap, and nobody moved this stuff because this looks like regular stuff merchandise. It doesn't look like Christmas stuff. but this is tagged for Christmas for whatever reason. So this guy was $2.47, so I had to pay that. I didn't have a friggin' coupon, but Shopkick is giving back 600 points when you buy this, which is basically like $2.40, so it makes this thing 7 cents. This was an itty bitty money maker, so it basically makes these 2 items for free. To answer a quick Shopkick question, how many times can you do it per account? Because like IBOTTA, you can do it multiple times. With Shopkick, it's a one time around, so don't try and push it. It's a one and done. But at my store, the end cap was so full of these that I had no problems, no issues grabbing a bunch. And double, triple check your Shopkick account if you might have the same rebates as I. Depending where you're living in the US, it may be different. Everybody's is always different, like your region. Now, I'm not sure about you guys, but if you are a fan of the Golden Girls, I saw this and I was like, why didn't somebody buy this for somebody for Christmas? Rose Island was $1.98, so I'm guessing the original price point for this was quite a bit. They're not cheap. They had a bunch of Seinfeld ornaments too, but I didn't pick up any of them. I just thought I'd want the Golden Girls one. And again, I'm not going too crazy with this Christmas clearance because Meijer and Dollar General, when those two hit at 90 or the quarter sale, that's where I want to be shopping. Last item that I got was this mini waffle maker. This always makes a nice little gift, especially for families with kids. I only grabbed one of them, but this guy was $5. The original price point was $8.96. I just thought I could keep it next year for Christmas. Sometimes when I'm gifting like baskets to, family friends with kids, I always try to include something like this that they can bake cookies or make waffles, and like for $5, that's an absolutely great gift. So that was my little Walmart haul. I'm very delighted with what I found. Don't forget to use Brick Seeks and have fun out there, guys. When it's gonna hit 90% off is unknown, but typically when it's 90% off, there's just like, a couple things of gift wrap and the odd thing that 100 people in the store had opened up. So have fun with that, and yeah, let's go to Rite Aid. Guys, so now we're at Rite Aid, and I was just gonna buy $25 of Tide products and get $10 back in bonus cash, because on this one store card I had bought Tide and other stuff earlier in the week. And there's a lady on Instagram, Coupon Sweetie, and she posted that you could use both the flyer and a paper booster, which is a spend 50, get back 15. Well, I had one newspaper. I got the flyer from last week. I got it in the newspaper, and I was able to do it one time. I only had one of them, unfortunately, but I was still able to find a deal. So what I did, guys, was I did part of a Ravi deal, and then I just got more Tide for myself. So this is when you spend $30, you get back $10 in bonus cash over at Rite Aid. So I already had $5 tracking, so I just needed 25 more. So I got 3 of these Tides, and they are $5.94. And then 2 of the Tampax, they are 2 for $8. I had a 3 off of 2 for this. I had a $2 from the January PNG, a digital, and then I also had one from a website that I had printed out PNG good every day. So I was able to use 3 Tide coupons, and I wanted the liquid today, forget the pods. So that equaled to like $25.85 of PNG products. So I would get my $10 back because I already had 5 tracking. Now, Ravi made a video this morning about Head & Shoulders that's on clearance, and it's tracking for a store promotion of spend 25, get back 5, which isn't the greatest, but pairing it with a $50 basket and getting back $15 of bonus cash, I could rectify buying this stuff. So I did make a mistake, guys. And I'm gonna explain this to you guys without really confusing you. This does not track for part of the deal. I did grab 2 Pantenes, which I did not have coupons for. So I thought it was initially the Pantene, because the manager looked at the receipt with me and she's like, oh, the Pantenes aren't tracking for it, because I was like $3 short from hitting it. So I returned 2 Pantenes that I bought on clearance for $3.99, but it's in fact this one, because I went through the math line by line. And here's a little bit of instant karma. The friggin' bottle is leaking, so I have to throw that in the garbage or put it in a different bottle. So don't buy this one. There's other Herbal Essence products that are qualifying, so maybe check out Ravi's video from this morning. But man, that's not. But they had a fancier Pantene shampoo that was tracking, but I had already returned it, so stupid me. But these all tracked, and all of these Head and Shoulders are between $3.49 or $3.69. So I got a shampoo, a fancier conditioner, another shampoo, and then a coconut conditioner. And then when I went back and returned my Pantene, I got this guy for $5.83. So I was able to, you know, make the deal work. And so what I got back, I'm sorry if this is really confusing, but after all this is said and done, don't buy this crap. My total was like $51.62. I had $18 of manufacturer coupons. I had a 3 off of 2 from the January P&G. I used 2 of those, and then a 3 off of 2 for the Herbal Essence, and the Pantene I didn't even have coupons for, so that's why it was an easy return. And I had $18 of coupons, like digitals and all that other stuff for this. So I had $33.62 total. I used bonus cash to pay that down, and then I got back $30 in bonus cash. 15 as I spent 50. 10 as I finished this, because you can do that twice per store card. And I got back 5 for this. So hey, not the worst thing. So the fancier Pantene is tracking, as is Head and Shoulders. Visit Ravi's video if you want to find out the Herbal Essence. And look what I did. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a very safe new year if you're going out or whatever you're doing. And I will see you in 2021. Bye, guys.